Have you ever wondered why, in the midst of a bustling crowd, the sound of your own name can cut through the noise and capture your attention instantly? This intriguing phenomenon is what psychologists refer to as the cocktail party effect. It's the brain's remarkable ability to focus on a particular conversation while filtering out the background noise, like a cocktail party goer who can pinpoint a friend's voice amid the chatter. Imagine yourself attending a lively party, surrounded by the hum of various conversations, clinking glasses, and music. You are engaged in a dialogue, deeply concentrating on what is being said. Yet, suddenly, from across the room, you hear your name mentioned, and your attention is immediately diverted. This isn't just a curious quirk, but a testament to the sophisticated nature of our auditory processing system. To understand how this works, we can look back at the foundational study conducted by psychologist Neville Murray in 1959. Murray designed an experiment that involved playing different auditory messages to each of a participant's ears, instructing them to focus on the message in one ear and disregard the other. Despite concentrating on the designated message, participants often reported noticing their own name when it was spoken in the unattended ear. This discovery was groundbreaking because it showed that our brains are not only filtering information, but also vigilantly monitoring for something important: our own name. Astoundingly, about one-third of Murray's participants reported hearing their name in the ignored audio stream. Subsequent experiments replicated these results. With similar findings, participants detected their name about 30 to 40% of the time, even when they weren't actively listening for it. This indicates that the brain's ability to pick out self-relevant information, like one's own name, is both automatic and involuntary. But what parts of the brain are responsible for this heightened sensitivity to our own name? That question has been addressed by more recent neuroscience studies, which have shed light on the neural mechanisms behind this phenomenon. A combined ERP, event-related potential, and PET, positron emission tomography, imaging study explored the brain's response to hearing one's own name. The study revealed that hearing your name elicits a distinctive electrical response in the brain, known as the P3 signal. This response was found to correlate with heightened activity in the right superior temporal sulcus, the precuneus, and the medial prefrontal cortex. Notably, the study revealed that the correlation with the medial prefrontal cortex was significantly stronger when individuals heard their own name compared to other names. This suggests that the medial prefrontal cortex is particularly involved in processing information that is personally relevant or connected to self-identity. This self-referential processing indicates a prioritization mechanism in our brain that gives special treatment to signals associated with our identity. Another fascinating insight from researchers is the effect of hearing our name on our ability to maintain focus. Hearing your name in an ignored conversation can actually lead to measurable distraction. Participants who noticed their name often made more errors in the tasks they were supposed to be concentrating on. It highlights that while our brain is adept at filtering out noise, the mention of our name is compelling enough to divert our attention and underscore the influence of self-related cues on our cognitive processes. Research has also uncovered that this ability to detect one's name in the background noise involves not just the cortical regions of the brain, but subcortical structures as well. The involvement of regions such as the thalamus and brainstem suggests that part of this monitoring process operates at a level below conscious awareness. This means our brains are primed to detect crucial personal information unconsciously, leveraging both cortical and subcortical pathways. When we bring these findings together, they paint a fascinating picture of the brain's penchant for self-relevant information. This process is not merely a function of conscious awareness where we intentionally listen for our name, but involves deeper, automatic processing systems. The cocktail party effect, therefore, exemplifies the brain's intricate balance between filtering out unnecessary noise and remaining attuned to vital self-related cues. So next time you're at a party lost in the chatter and your name cuts through the din, remember the sophisticated orchestration happening in your brain. These neural mechanisms have evolved to ensure we remain attentive to the world around us, particularly when it pertains to ourselves. What do you think about the cocktail party effect? Have you experienced the uncanny ability to hear your name in a crowd? Share your thoughts and join the conversation by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the marvels of the human brain.